Hi guys, welcome back to Four Seasons Farm. Wanted to do a quick farm update, fill you guys in on what's been going on. These are Molly's puppies. They are 8 weeks old now. Some of them have already went to their new homes. Some are still available. We have 3 boys, 1 girl, still available. This sweet little guy right here is a dark chocolate and white. He's still available. This little guy right here, the tan and white male, is still available as well. Hi, buddy. And then we have a very sweet little black and white one that is also available. All 3 of those are our boys. And we have one sweet little girl that's chocolate and white. That's going to be Shy. Come here, darling. And look at that face. Isn't she cute? She is still available as well. We've been really busy with puppies, and then kidding season started with our little goats 2 weeks ago. And I will go show you the little goats. Alright guys, so I'm out in the goat pen. Kidding season kicked off 2 weeks ago with Dixie giving us triplets. And a few hours after she gave us triplets, Oreo decided she wanted to give us twin bucklings. So we have a group of 2-week-old babies and a group of 1-week-old babies in the pen as well. And I'm sitting down, I have to stand up because I'm getting attacked. So Dixie gave us that sweet little doeling right here. Okay, we'll try this. Dixie gave us 2 bucklings and a little doe. This is one of the bucklings. This is the other one. He's significantly bigger. He's the biggest one born here yet. And he's one of the triplets. And a doe. So 2 bucks and a doe for Dixie. All 3 have brown eyes. Super sweet. And Oreo gave us 2 bucklings 2 weeks ago. This is one of her little bucklings. So that's one of the bucklings right there of Oreo. And the other one is right there. Both have pretty blue eyes. And then 1 week ago, Trixie decided to have triplets as well. And these are Trixie's. Little buckling. This little guy here is a little buck. And she had 2 doelings. The little buck had brown eyes. The little does are so cute. Also have brown eyes, I believe. They're gonna hide. Let's see if I can get the other one. Look at that little guy. He's so cute. That's Dixie's little doeling. So when you sit down, they decide to climb all over you. That's another little buckling of Dixie's. He's a cute little guy. And then we had Maggie, who had her babies this past Sunday. They are 2 days old today. And Maggie decided she was going to have triplets also. So here comes the girls. Dixie and Trixie and Sweet Oreo. And here is Maggie. Sweet Maggie decided to give us triplets Sunday morning. And she gave us 2 does and 1 little buck. Both of her little does have blue eyes. And her little buckling has golden brown eyes. So these little guys will get pulled off of their mom late tonight, and we do bottle raise our babies and milk the moms. But we make sure that they get to stay with their mom for the first 2 days before we pull them to make sure they get a good start and get mom's milk, which they'll still get mom's milk even when we're bottle feeding. We'll feed them their mama's milk. And that's the little doe. And her little buckling right there. And the other little doeling. So that finishes off kidding season for us. That's everybody. Trixie, what are you doing? That's all of our girls to have their babies. So Sweet Maggie with her 3 triplets. Oreo here gave us twin bucklings with blue eyes. Yes, you did a very good job. Dixie here was a first-time freshener with triplets. This was Oreo's first time as well with her bucklings, twin bucks. Trixie, this is her second freshening. She did give us twins last year. This year, she decided to give us triplets. So we've had 3 sets of triplets and 1 set of twins. So we have a total of 5 little doelings and 6 little bucklings. So very sweet. The babies are also sweet. So all of our babies are available. They are for sale. They are registered. If you have any questions, you can contact me. You can leave a comment down below. But life on the farm has gotten very busy. So hope you've enjoyed our video. Hope you've enjoyed the update on the farm and all the new babies. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Make sure you hit subscribe. There'll be more to come as they grow. Thanks for watching.